Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to show YouTube music on Discord status. First, open Google Chrome on your PC, then click on the three dots at the top right corner to open the Chrome menu. From the drop down, select extensions to see the list of installed extensions. Next, click Visit Chrome Web Store. In the Web Store search bar, type YouTube Discord Presence and press enter. Then look for the official extension in the results and click on it to open its page. Then click Add to Chrome and when prompted, click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install the extension automatically. Once the extension is installed, open it by clicking the icon. Now scroll down on the page and click on Minor Bug Fixes on the right hand side. Then select WTDP Setup. You will see a download starting automatically. Click on the download icon at the top right of your browser to check the progress. After the download completes, click on the downloaded files to open the setup. A setup window will appear. Click Next to continue. Then, click Next again to confirm the installation. Wait a few seconds while it installs. When finished, you will see a message that the extension has been successfully installed. Now, click on the extensions icon in the top right corner of Chrome, find the YouTube Discord Presence extensions, and click the pin icon to keep it always visible in your toolbar. Next, open a new tab and search for Discord Web. Click on the official link and log in using your credentials. Make sure you allow the necessary permissions if prompted. Once logged in, you can activate the extension to show your YouTube music activity as your Discord status, letting your friends see what you're listening to in real time. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.